Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Today is September the 12th, and as of today I haven't lost any watch hours, so that's good. And we are still trying to get to 4,000 watch hours. I believe I don't remember how many I need, but I know as of this morning um I had 1,000. No, that's not right. 3,625. So whatever 4,000 from that totals is how much I need. So in this video, hopefully it makes sense. So you remember this video right here where I was talking about getting ahead and whatnot? Well, I want to see how much more money we need to get a full month ahead for all the bills. So here's the bills for September, and I'm going to kind of copy down pretty much most of this stuff here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Desiree. My channel name is Idesireewealth. And if, it still doesn't come out right when you say it, it's totally okay. I understand. I know I've been probably butchering some channels' names, so it's okay. So, let's see what's left to try to get a full month ahead. So, for now, I know when I pay $7 to November, what? Jumping ahead already. Mind you, it's not even October yet. So I need to add $7 to this to make this bill a full month. When it comes to Cricket, I need to add 59 to make it a full month because I do have the money already set aside for Netflix and half of Cricket, half of Netflix. For YouTube, I already have an extra $4 set aside. So I already have it set aside for this month's bill, which haven't been paid yet, and I already have it set aside for next month's bill, if I'm not mistaken. For AT&T, I already have the $64.99 set aside, and I do have $32. Well, $33, and then I just need to add $32. And then we'll have the full bill for October for Nashville Electric Service. I'm not really sure what that bill was, but whatever it was, I didn't have to pay any extra money by the 15th of September, so I did have enough credit for that, and I'm just adding more money. So I already put 60 aside, and I just need to add 60 more, which means that I would be paying for October's bill if that bill isn't high. If so, I'll just, pay the difference when I get it. So let's see. So this one is pretty much most of the bills are a half amount ahead. When I get the money for my next check, this will be a full month ahead for October. Full month ahead for October. YouTube, I already have the $4 set aside. AT&T, it'll be the same where I add $32, and that will be the October bill. NES is the same for the car payment. So, as you all know, or don't know, if you don't know, now you will know, my car payment is $406 if you round it up, but monthly I've been paying $470 or bi-weekly $235. I do want to add an extra $20 to this if I can for the next pay and start paying $490 a month. If so, if I do start paying $490 a month, I should have about 43.4 months left to go. And I think we'll talk about it in a debt update video. That way you can see the progress that I'm making and attempting to make so far. For Google, I already have the money for this set aside for September so far. And if I'm not mistaken, I should have an extra $3 in that account as well. If not, I will put it in there when I get paid again. I think this is where I ended up having to use that $3 towards something else. For State Farm, I do have half of the money for September set aside. So let's just see. Let's do 254, and that's a full month. And for term life, remember my term life is due every, let's see, uh uh-oh, looks like I have a Zoom, so let's go ahead and let me pause and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I had a meeting, had to go to it, and I believe I left off talking about State Farm, how I have half of the payment for the next month. Of course, when I get paid, I'll have the, wait, not next month, this month. I have half a payment for this month, and when I get paid again, I'll do the half payment to make the full month's payment for the month of September. So I went ahead and written that off to the side for 254. And we have my term life insurance. I already have the money for September set aside. Next, we're working on December. So far I have $22 set to the side, and with my next paycheck, I will have $44, and I then need 132. And of course, after that, I will need the whole entire rent. Well, not entire rent, but remember when I started setting money aside for the rent, I ended up setting aside an extra $215. I haven't touched it or anything, and it's just chilling comfortably in Ally. So if we subtract 215 minus 940, we end up with 725. So I need 725 for the rent, and let's say we add everything up, we'll have $1,111 to go. Isn't that an angel number? No. Ha, it is. And I know because I was watching Cynthia's channel. What? I was watching Cynthia Budget's video this morning, and she had $11 to cash stuff yesterday on the 11th, which is 11/11 again. And she was just wondering what that meant. So this is a good sign. Also, if you like my pen, let's see if it'll show. It just says, I wish my bank account refilled as fast as my laundry basket. I did get this pen from Andrea. We'll have her information below. Chris, thank you so much for introducing us. And of course, you know that Hello Kitty pen. Well, no, take that back. The pen with the red cupcake on it. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite. And of course, I still have not yet used my red Hello Kitty pen, so I need to start using it. I actually just started using this pen maybe not even 2 weeks ago. So far I need $1,111 to get a full month ahead. I'm pretty sure we won't be able to do it by December. I think actually I have a magic month in October. So when it comes to the magic month, that means that I'll have 3 paychecks. And I can switch over here because they look about the same. So in the month of October, I will have 3 paychecks. And what I'll do is keep paying these from the first and the second paycheck, and I'll see if I'm able to keep up with that third paycheck and not have to spend anything from it. And of course, you know, if I do need to, I will, which normally I've been breaking the rent down by 3 and so on, which is why I'm not a full month ahead just yet. And I'm going to continue to split everything up by 2 paychecks until I'm officially 1 month, what? 1 month ahead, and we may get there by next year. So I hope this helped. I hope this kind of helped with the last video that I put out about this. Hopefully it helps someone. Of course, with the split payment method, Instead of doing it from one pay period to the next, I just take down all my bills, divide them by 2, and take them from paycheck 1, paycheck 2, or you can do it if you get paid weekly. Of course, you can divide all your bills by, I don't know, 4 paychecks or 5. So it's up to you how you want to do it, and just go from there to get the bills paid. So this is what I've been doing for, I don't know how long I've been using the half payment method. I believe when I started, I actually watched Kadima's video, which I believe she still has it on YouTube, and she still has her budget boutique if you want to check that out. I don't know when the last time she made a YouTube video, but I am going to find that video and tag it below. So that's it. That's all I wanted. I just wanted to show you what was needed for me to be a full month ahead. So 1111, that's the number that I'm aiming for. And what I'm going to start doing, I know Cash Bear Mama, I have to check my mailbox. I don't know if she's already sent that month ahead binder or not. I haven't checked my mailbox in quite some time, so I will tag her below. That way you all can see her video. I have to find the right one, but I know she mentioned that she was going to send me her month ahead binder since she didn't need it, and when she do send it, I'll start saving for these bills in cash, and we'll just see how it go. Remember, I do pay most of my bills on my credit cards, the ones that I can pay, such as pretty much everything except for the rent payment, the term life, the car payment, of course. Everything else is except the Nashville Electric Service. I pay everything on multiple credit cards just to keep them active, keep them open. And that's been working great for the last, I want to say last 2 years almost. So that's it. Have a great rest of your day. If you watched any of my videos, thank you so much. Bye.